Good morning, grade 2. How are you today? As we discussed before, that we have studied this week the intermediate directions. You will find the video of the intermediate directions on YouTube, and yeah, I posted the link on SMS to watch it. Clearly, it's not recorded with my voice because I found a video that is very good about intermediate directions. It explains everything in details and it shows you more examples of how can I apply it on the maps. So what I want from you is to study the intermediate directions, which are, and I want you to remember their names as I told you today. They are north, south, east, west, north, east, northwest, south, east, and southwest. Okay, please check the link of this video on SMS to know what are the intermediate directions, and I want you to answer the worksheet on SMS and to send me the homework by mail. Let's see what will we speak about today, and this is what they have studied today in our session today. As I told you, we study weather and climate. What is the weather and what is a climate? Weather means what the air outside is like at any time. Like today, we said the weather is changing. It can be cold, it can be rainy, it can be snowy, and it can be hot. Okay, so weather, what the air is like outside at any time. Or you want to say what the air outside is like at any time. So the weather is changing or stays for a short time. Like today, it was rainy in the morning. After a while, it was warm. After a while, it was cold. So we said that the weather stays for a long time, because for a short time, because the weather is changing from an hour to the other hour, from 1 minute to the other minute. Okay, so the weather is changing in a short time. As I said, in the morning it was warm, after a while it was sunny, after a while it was rainy. So the weather is changing. So weather, what the air outside is like at any time. What the air outside is like at any time. Weather, what the air outside is like at any time. What the air outside is like at any time. Okay, so weather can be cold, can be rainy, can be snowy, and can be hot. What about climate? Climate is the usual weather of a place over a long time. Like 30 years ago, the climate of Egypt is hot and sunny in summer and cold and rainy in winter. This is climate, it's in Egypt 30 years ago, and still we have the same nowadays. It's not changing. Like, I expect that tomorrow will be snowy. No, because the climate of Egypt, it's not snowy in winter and it's not rainy in summer, but the climate of Egypt is rainy and cold in winter and hot and sunny in summer. So the climate is weather for a long time. Weather for a long time. So as we said, weather for a short time. When I said weather, what the air outside is like at any time, right? In the morning it was hot, after a while it was rainy, after a while it was cold, okay? But in winter, okay, the whole month of winter, you will find that it is cold. It will not be snowy, okay? And when summer comes, we will find that the whole month of summer, it will be hot and snowy and it will not be rainy. This is called climate. Climate, weather for a long time. Climate, weather for a long time. Okay, so weather, what the air outside is like at any time. What the air outside is like at any time. Climate, weather for a long time. Climate, weather for a long time. It doesn't change from season to season. No, we know that the climate of Egypt in winter, it's rainy and cold, and the climate of Egypt in summer, it's hot and sunny. And next year, inshallah, when winter comes, you will find that the climate of Egypt is rainy and cold, and the climate of Egypt in summer is hot and sunny, because we had this climate 30 years ago. It's not changing. But what is changing? Weather. Yes, it's changing every day. It can be cold, after a while it will be hot, after a while. But by the end, it will be a cold weather in winter and a hot weather in summer. Okay, so weather, what the air outside is like at any time, what the air outside is like at any time. Climate, weather for a long time. Climate, weather for a long time. Here is telling you how does the climate affect the way we live. Like nowadays, we are wearing heavy clothes in winter. When it's cold in winter, we are wearing heavy clothes, and we wear light clothes in summer because it's very hot and sunny. And this is how does climate affect the way we live. We usually drink hot drinks in winter, and we usually drink cold drinks in summer because of the weather. We turn on the fan or the AC in summer, and we switch off the fan and the AC in winter, and we turn on the heater. Okay, so again, today, or we spoke before about the intermediate directions. What are they? They are north, south, east, west, north, east, north, west, south, east, south, west. And I told you that there is a link, the video, but it's not recorded with my voice. You will find it on SMS in the videos folder. Weather, this is what we have covered today in the social session. We studied weather. What is weather? What the air outside is like at any time. What the air outside is like at any time. Climate, weather for a long time. Climate, weather for a long time. How does the climate affect the way we live? We wear heavy clothes in winter, and we wear light clothes in summer. Thanks for watching. I wish that you understood the lesson for today. It was so easy and very short because there are only 2 vocabularies that I want you to memorize and to remember their meanings. Thank you, grade 2. I want you to answer all the worksheets that are uploaded on SMS and send them by mail. Get ready for the science quiz on Sunday during the online session. Thanks for watching, and see you on Sunday. Bye.